In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder in Wrike. This is a simple yet essential task that can help keep your projects organized, making it easier to manage workflows and collaborate with your team efficiently. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be anything from Chrome to Firefox or any other browser you find most comfortable. Once you've got your browser open, simply navigate to the search bar and type Wrike. This should bring up a variety of results, but you'll want to select the official Wrike website so that you can log in to your account securely. Now, once you're on the Wrike website, you'll have the option to either log in or, if you haven't used Wrike before, you might see an option to try Wrike for free. If you're a new user, you can definitely explore that option to get a feel for the platform. Otherwise, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in your Wrike workspace, your next step is to create a folder. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you will notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new items. Click on the plus icon, and you will see a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Folder. This is a crucial step in organizing your projects, as folders in Wrike act as containers that help you keep track of different tasks, projects, or categories. When you click to add a folder, you'll be prompted to enter a name for this new folder. Think about what you'll be using this folder for and choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. This will not only help you but also any team members who might be accessing these folders in the future. Next, you need to specify where this folder will be located within your Wrike workspace. You have the flexibility to place it within a particular project or under a broader category, depending on your organizational needs. It's good practice to take a moment to decide the best location for easy access and management later on. Finally, after naming and choosing the location of your folder, it's time to confirm everything. At the bottom of this dialog box, you'll find the Create button. Clicking this button will finalize the process, and just like that, you now have a new folder in Wrike. And that's it, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully added a folder to your Wrike workspace, adding a little more structure to your project management setup. Feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need to create and organize additional folders. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.